Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Got this air fryer from AICOOK. It's a 5.8 quart. I'm going to go ahead and get the box opened up. It comes with the instruction manual. It also has like 40 recipes on it. As you can see, it's packaged really well, so I'm going to go ahead and get it out of the box. Alright, got it out of the box. Set that off to the side. Get the protective cover off. Alright, now that I have everything off, I can go ahead and take off the tape for the tray here. It's made out of a really nice solid plastic. The front is stainless steel. We'll go ahead and get out the tray here. It's all metal, non-stick. The one tray lifts right out. Let's go ahead and get this out here to where this is non-stick also, allowing the air to flow through it. I'll get this all washed up and check out the manual and we'll get something made from it. So just to show you the way you get the bin out, you have to kind of get it nice because it does go in there very tight. Once you get it out, to get this tray out, you have to slide the plastic piece up and hit the button down so that way it'll lift right out. That's the way you can separate the pieces so you can clean them. And then we'll put it back in there, hold the button down, lock it back in, and you can put it back in. Oh, I'm going to do teriyaki chicken wings for the first time with this air fryer, just to show you. The booklet shows the different temperatures for the different types of meats. The chicken setting says it's 360 at 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put in the tray so we can warm it up first. And then after it warms up, we'll go ahead and put the chicken wings in. So I'm going to set the temperature at 360. I'm going to go ahead and put it for 20 minutes, even though I'm only going to warm it for 10 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and let it start with the warming up. After it warms up, then we'll go ahead and put the chicken in and do the cooking. So you can hear the air flowing through the machine now. You don't want to touch the top once it heats up. And on the back is an air vent, so you want to stay away from that. So we'll let this warm up and then we'll get going. Alright, so I've let it warm up now. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken in now. Space it out in here. I'm going to let it cook for 8 minutes, then I'm going to flip it over and see where it's at. Now that I have the chicken in, I'm going to go ahead and slide the tray in and lock it into place. I'm going to go ahead and use the menu to select chicken. And I'm going to go ahead and hit start. So as you saw, I set the temperature for cooking the chicken at 160. The air vent on the back is giving us about 187 to 190. So that's why you want to be careful of the temperature on the back. Alright, so I've been cooking them for 8 minutes now, so I'm going to go ahead and pull them out. As you can see, the tops are cooked now. I'm going to go ahead and flip them all over and cook them for another 8 minutes. Then they should be done all the way throughout and crispy on both sides. And put them in for another 8 minutes. I'm thinking that 16 for chicken wings is going to be plenty fine. Alright, the wings are all done, and I'm going to say after cooking my very first batch, these are a little bit more crispy than what I like, so I would probably recommend 6 minutes aside at tops at 360, but these are going to be really good. So one of the great things I like about this is I don't have to heat up an oven, my barbecue. It's easy to clean because it's all self-contained and really nice unit.